Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure personal trainers with Equinox, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure personal trainers with Equinox, start by visiting the official Equinox website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Equinox member portal. Navigate to the personal training section from the main menu. Select your desired location to find available trainers. Review the list of personal trainers. Filter the options based on your preferences, such as specialties or training styles. Click on the profile of a trainer to view their experience and qualifications. Take note of their availability for scheduling sessions. Decide on the frequency and duration of your training sessions. Choose a package that fits your needs and budget. Add your selected package to your cart. Proceed to the checkout process. Review your order and ensure all details are correct. Input your payment information. Confirm the purchase once everything is in order. After purchasing, access your account to schedule your first session. Select a date and time that works for you and your trainer. Confirm the appointment and check for any pre-session requirements. Once scheduled, prepare for your first session by setting clear fitness goals. Remember to bring any necessary equipment or water. Enjoy your journey with your personal trainer at Equinox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.